This secret ingredient right here is gonna change the way you eat Philadelphia cheesesteaks forever. Let's get to cooking. Come on now. This secret ingredient is actually not even my idea. I've never heard of it. I would have never thought of it, but I was in Florida and my buddy Mark was cooking cheesesteaks and ran out of butter to toast the buns and used this instead, but used it and then it was too late to toast them, so we just left it on there. Game changer, 100% game changer. So for this recipe, we got an onion, we got Cheez Wiz, because everyone knows Cheez Wiz is the only cheese that goes on a cheesesteak. And that's that. Sliced ribeye. This is a must. I did not slice this ribeye. It is super thin, but if you want a tip, Asian market, they carry sliced ribeye. And you can buy them in 1 pound packs. This is 1 pound. This is enough to make probably 2, 3, 4, depending on how big your cheesesteaks are. The cheesesteaks we're making today aren't that big, so this will easily make 3. We're gonna be seasoning with double pepper cow cover. First things first, I gotta get my Cheez Wiz heated up. And I'm just setting this right here. I'll turn this down just a bit. Next thing, cut up my onion. I've seen cheesesteaks a lot of different ways. And I'm a firm believer in you do whatever you like to do. And I think I'm gonna actually go with thin slices. And I do have the root left on there, holds this whole thing together. I'm probably not gonna do much more than that. Let me get a little butter down. Now, get these onions going. This griddle gets it, huh? Now I'm just gonna let these saute on here just till they become nice and soft. Now, for the ribeye. I just grab a couple handfuls, start laying it down. Now I'm gonna season it up with a little bit of double pepper cow cover. I've never had this on cheesesteaks, but I can't imagine it's gonna let me down. Give them a nice flip. Make sure you're stirring your cheese. You don't want it to burn on the bottom. The one thing that I had to learn with this griddle, and this is a Royal Gourmet griddle off of Amazon. I think when I bought this, it was like 89 bucks. Obviously it's not now, but I do run this in zones. This side, I have almost all the way open. The middle one's closed down a little bit more, and the far left side is all the way turned down to low. That is what I'm talking about. That's perfect consistency. Give it a little mixy mix. I think I can get all this in 2 of them. That looks good, man. That looks good. Go ahead and start steaming them dudes. We gotta get the secret ingredient out, and believe you me, before you start hating down the comments, you better try it. QP mayo. I know. Who would have thought? I promise you, game changer. This will even make one of those cheesesteaks with provolone taste good. Okay, yeah, what the heathens eat. I know people love provolone, and I know this is a huge argument, but I'm just personally not a fan. But like I said, man, you do what you like to do. I'm gonna be doing this Cheez Wiz, baby. Woo! Years ago, I had a food truck, and I had an idea one day we'd make cheesesteaks out of brisket, and I called it the Oklahoma cheesesteak. So I ordered the rolls from Omarosca's, or whatever it's called in Philadelphia, and went over big. Let's start building these. Trust me here. Oh man. Almost need like a little cheesesteak holder. Yeah, these are gonna be messy, but I don't get it yet. Whew. That's the one. Traditionally, I know you wrap these up, but I'm not gonna wrap this up. Come on now. Oh. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's about 10:30 in the morning, and I was telling myself I wasn't gonna eat a whole one of these, so I'm glad I cut it in half. Yeah, I gotta jump into this. I don't know why. I'm really at a loss for words on why mayo makes it better, but it definitely does. It should almost be like a French dip. It's a great sandwich. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe right here in the ingredients, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes. Make it for yourself. I promise you, this is a game changer. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Dude, I'm telling you, man. It's like a cross between an onion burger and a cheesesteak. Feel like one of them bodega workers.